What's up guys, it's your dad, Grip and Rip, your uncle, Grip and Rip, your mum, Grip and Rip. It's Grip and Rip! Woo! Got Sapphire back, replaced the tyre again. This video is just going to be a compilation of stuff that didn't make it into previous episodes. So enjoy! Roll the clips. Oh, let the pigeon cross the road, god damn it. Pigeon wants to cross as well.
Why did the pigeon cross the road? Did you take its day off?
Ah! I'm gonna get I got it.
You have all of them?
Yeah. That bloke was like, whoa. Fuck you. Old as fuck and dumb as fuck. Wow. That's cool. That's fucking awesome. Fucking bell end. Someone please explain to me what the hell that was. I gotta check if there's anything, but I can't just pull out of a junction. Thank you. She said my helmet's cool. Alright mate, I know the weather's bad, but it shouldn't be making you moan like that. Someone's getting a bit excited. Okay mate. What a weirdo. Wrong side of the road mate. And you, oh my god. Move over. Good god, I need to lube my chain up. The police. I know.
Look at that. Look at the dust particles.
Particles. Particles. Oh, Morgan. Oh my god, what is going on here? There's a protest. There is an actual protest. What are they protesting? Our future. Fuck you. Wrong side of the complete road. This is chaos. What the fuck? Plant more trees. Denial's our policy. What the fuck? I don't know, all these vegetablists and veganists, I just eat some bacon. Oh, come on, Grandma, what the fuck? Move over! You stupid man! He had a fucking swastika showing on his phone and showing it to everyone. What the hell? That is a pretty bold statement, mate. Fucking hell. Scared the crap out of me. Fuck. God, did you see that wheel spin?